An update tonight about the woman from Central Illinois helping victims of Hurricane Dorian. She is still giving relief down there to storm victims. Right now, the hurricane is making its way into North Carolina as a Category 2. The storm has weakened over the last 12 hours, but will stay powerful as it moves along the coast. The Hurricane Center says dangerous storm surge is possible. Now, the woman from Peoria is in Jacksonville, Florida, working with the Red Cross.
It wasn't as bad here in Jacksonville as it was south of us and then to the north. But all the people in the shelter were very thankful that it didn't, wasn't too bad where they were.
Not the case in the Bahamas, though. Dorian caused severe damage there. At least 20 people have been reported dead.
And